Hi, hello friend. In this video, I will show you a simple website design which is a responsive website. You can see the world biggest university. This is a title. This is a pretty simple design. This here is 5 pages. Let's check my design. Let's check home page. Course we have. This is another section. Let's check this designing. Oh, this is another beautiful section. You can check compass section, check is this design, facilities, and check this is merge and contact us. Let's check about page. This is a simple pretty about page. Explore now. This is a button about us. Here you can check this logo. Look pretty simple. Course. This is our course. Let's check this eyeshadow. Can you check blog page? Can check this is post categories. The comment section, post comment. Let's see this. Look the button. Pretty simple. Another page. Contact us. Contact us. This I use Google Meet. This is a message section. Send message section. Address section. About us. Look at this is a social media links design. Very simple. If you click Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Look, it's responsive. This is complete responsive design. You can check. Let's check this design. This if you click this menu, this is a complete menu. Contact us. Let's check home page. You can check. Very pretty simple. It's amazing. Fully responsive design. Let's check another page. Let's check about page. You can see it's pretty simple. Course. So our course design. You can check this is beautiful. Another page. Let's check blog page. Really can't take. Hopefully you like my design. If you want this design, so please comment on this video. I will share you all the source code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.